Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make your Twitter likes private. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, on your device launch the Twitter app, and in here make sure that you're logged into your Twitter account. Now tap on your profile from the upper left corner of your screen and a label panel will pop up. From there tap on settings and support from the bottom of the box. Now again tap on settings and privacy. You will land on this page. After that you have to tap on privacy and safety, and then again you will see this interface. Now here from the very top tap on audience and tagging, and in here turn on the toggle that says protect your post. Turn that on. Once you turn that on, only the people that follow you will be able to see all your likes on the Twitter. So this is how you can simply make your Twitter likes private. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down, and thank you for watching. I will see you on next tutorial.